Welcome back to the Finance AI channel. In this video, we're going to talk about something that's on the minds of many people looking to save and invest their money: the stock market. Now, you might be thinking, but wait, the stock market is too risky and complicated, right? Well, that's not always the case. With a little knowledge and some smart strategies, you can navigate the stock market and make it work for you. First, let's start with the basics. The stock market is a place where publicly traded companies' stocks are bought and sold. When you buy a stock, you essentially own a small part of that company. And when the company does well, the value of the stock goes up, and so does your investment. But let's be real, it's also a place where you can lose your shirt if you're not careful. So, it's like dating, you need to do your research before you commit. Now, let's talk about the different types of stocks. The most common type is common stock, which gives you a vote in the company's decisions and a share of the profits. Then there's preferred stock, which doesn't give you voting rights, but typically pays a higher dividend. Think of it like dating: common stock is the long-term relationship, and preferred stock is the friends with benefits type of deal. Next, let's talk about the different ways to invest in the stock market. One way is to buy individual stocks, but this can be risky and time-consuming. It's like dating. You need to be careful and not put all your eggs in one basket. A more diversified approach is to invest in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which give you exposure to a basket of stocks. It's like dating. You get to play the field, and you have a better chance of finding a match. Now, let's talk about some strategies for investing in the stock market. One strategy is dollar cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the stock's price. This can help smooth out the ups and downs of the market. It's like dating. You don't want to go all in too soon, take it slow and steady. Another strategy is to invest in companies with a strong track record of growth and stability. It's like dating. You want to find a partner with a good reputation and a solid future. And finally, let's talk about some of the risks involved in investing in the stock market. One risk is that the value of your investment can go down, so it's important to have a long-term perspective and not to panic during market downturns. It's like dating, you need to have patience and not to give up too soon. Another risk is that the company you invest in may not perform as well as expected. It's like dating, you may have high hopes for your partner, but sometimes things just don't work out. But let's not forget about the rewards of investing in the stock market. It's like dating, when you find the right match, it can be incredibly rewarding. With the right investments, you can see your money grow over time and potentially reach your financial goals. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of being a shareholder in companies that are making a difference in the world. Now, let's talk about some tips for getting started in the stock market. One tip is to start small and invest in what you know. It's like dating, you don't want to jump into something too big and overwhelming. Start with something you're comfortable with. Another tip is to do your research and stay informed about the companies you're investing in. It's like dating. You want to know everything you can about your partner before committing. And lastly, don't be afraid to seek help from a financial advisor or professional. It's like dating. Sometimes you need a little guidance and advice from someone who has more experience. And that's all for today. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining. But wait, don't go just yet. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, because let's be real, you don't want to miss out on any of my future financial advice and investment strategies. And if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.